Lake County facilities span the full spectrum, from corporate campuses and medical offices to industrial spaces and everything in between. At Helping Hands, we've built our service around that complexity. Every visit is inspection-driven and documented because facilities this diverse can't afford a one-size-fits-all approach. Our team is carefully selected, fully trained, and background checked. They know your building, your schedule, and your standards. Every week, a supervisor walks through your facility and submits a quality check form. Accountability, you can see. Our people are direct hire employees, never subcontractors, which means no surprises, no strangers, and one person to call when you need anything. Choosing your janitorial service in Lake County is one of the most important decisions you make for your facility. Helping Hands Commercial Cleaning has been serving Lake County's most demanding facilities since 2001. Request your free facility walkthrough today.